Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure mediation in Google Ad Manager for mobile step by step clearly. To configure mediation in Google Ad Manager for mobile, start by logging into your Google Ad Manager account. Navigate to the Delivery tab in the main menu. Click on Mediation from the drop-down options. Select New Mediation Group to create a new mediation setup. Choose a name for your mediation group that reflects its purpose. Select the inventory types you want this mediation group to cover, such as mobile apps. Next, choose the ad units you want to include in this mediation group. After selecting the ad units, click Add to include them in your mediation group. Now, proceed to the Mediated Networks section. Click on Add Network to include additional ad networks in your mediation setup. Select the ad networks you wish to add from the provided list. Input the necessary credentials for each ad network, including API keys and account details. After entering the details, configure each network's settings according to your requirements. Adjust the priority settings to define the order in which networks should be served. You can set up dynamic allocation if you want to allow Google Ad Manager to optimize ad serving. Once all networks are added and configured, ensure each one is enabled. Review your mediation group settings carefully to confirm everything is correctly set up. Save your mediation group to finalize the configuration. Next, integrate the Google Mobile Ads SDK into your mobile application if not already done. Use the provided instructions to implement the SDK properly. Test your mediation setup using test ads to make sure everything functions correctly. After confirming that the setup works without issues, you're ready to launch your mediation group. Monitor the performance of your mediation group regularly to optimize ad revenue. Make any necessary adjustments based on performance data from your ad networks. With these steps complete, your mediation in Google Ad Manager is successfully configured for mobile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.